Got my onions in there.
Oh, you kept your onions in it because it had the holes.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine indeed. You guys are causing a traffic jam here.
No, not us.
Hi, honey. Got your purse and everything today?
She's ready.
Oh, my.
So is there a lot of other houses too in the neighborhood, or?
I really couldn't tell you how many, and you just drive around the circle and see what happens.
Perfect. That's our plan.
Okay, thank you.
Got my onions in there.
Oh, you kept your onions in it because it had the holes.
Yeah.
I was thinking to make a cute recipe thing.
Sure it would. Sure it would.
Yeah.
Sure it would.
I got your mom your wife to keep the Pixel maker for me off the back of mine.
No, there's a holding fee.
What's that?
Right now.
Okay, come on.
No, not right now.
$60 an hour.
Let me get these though.
I'll be back.
Sure thing. Okay. Go on anytime. Watch the traffic. Good morning.
Good morning.
You have your backpack for school next year? You don't?
There you go.
You're welcome, honey. Morning, people.
Good morning.
Not that warm yet for,
Oh yeah.
huh?
I haven't had to wear my flip-flops for a month now.
Oh my word. Just makes me cold looking at you.
Yeah, really.
Mars, May 1st.
We've got a quarter here. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, I'll do that too. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay, guys, you be good now.
Too.
Well, guys, that was a crazy yard sale for me. We stopped there. It was mentioned online, which I'll pop up the listing right here, but it was supposed to be a multi-family yard sale in this neighborhood, but it only ended up being one house. It was a little old couple, and yeah, they had a couple good things we picked up. We spent a grand total of 35 cents. Yeah, 35 cents, and we got 4 things. So this thing I'm going to open up because I'm not even sure what's actually in there, but we got these US Air bags. They're like these little makeup bags, little travel bags. US Air makeup bags for 5 cents each. I've sold airline stuff before, so super happy with these. We also picked up this Southwest Traveler's Choice bag. It's just a little, like again, another little travel bag, but we paid a grand total of 15 cents for this one. This next thing I grabbed while I was checking out, and it looks like, I think it's University of Florida, but it has some beads in it. And we paid 10 cents for it. I had a dime on me, but it has some blue and orange University of Florida beads. At first I thought it was Syracuse, because we do see a lot of Syracuse stuff in this area. But this is from University of Florida Alumni Association, Gator Boosters, Florida versus Cincinnati, January 1st, 2010 in New Orleans, Louisiana. So really cool flag from that, or towel from that. And I'm going to put a little screenshot from the game from that, because I'm thinking this must have been a national championship game maybe. But yeah, I'll put it up there. So really cool. Yeah, for 10 cents. It's really hard to say what we're going to make here from the 35 cents, but maybe 20 bucks. So really good investment on this one. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick little yard sale visit that we made too. The guy was really cool. Gave my daughter a book bag too. I'm not sure if I caught that on camera or not. But yeah, we had fun. It was a good morning out. So until next time, guys, remember, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, like the video, and shoot us a comment. We appreciate it. We like to read them all, and we like to respond to them also. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.